Hi there, Chris here. I have this Schlage padlock. It's kind of bright. Well, maybe that's better. Anyway, I have this Schlage padlock. Schlage. There's the bitting on the key. It has a very long shackle. Works very nicely. And I have a question at the end of this video, which I will ask, but let me see if I can pick this first. I can single pin pick it, and I can pick it with the Lishi. That being said, of course, now I won't be able to pick it on camera, but for some reason I can't get the core out, and that is going to be my question, but got to get it open first to show you that. He said you got to get it open first to show you that. All right, so there's an open, and if you see down there, we look down there, you can see a flathead screw in there. Probably need this again. So take a flathead screwdriver. Whoa. Sook. Pardon me. Hey, Sook. Are you going to put a hairball on the bench? I think we can get the screw out. Not quite. Well, technical difficulties. Okay, there's the screw. And can't get the core out. Turn it the other way. Doesn't come out. Feels like it's still screwed in. Now down there, you can see a little tiny hole, but I mean it's minute in there, right about here. You can see it in there. I mean, it should come out, right? And I've reached in there to see, actually I should get, oh, well, how are we gonna do this? I don't know. I reached in there to, he said, to see if there's like a pin to hit to release it. And I don't feel anything anywhere. Unless I'm missing something. So I would like to be able, to get it out and gut it. But there's something holding it and I don't know what it is. So that's my question. Anybody who knows, any of you locksmiths or people who have figured this out, maybe can tell me. And, you know, I was thinking, oh, maybe it's just this one, but I have this other one, which is the same, and it reacts the same way. I mean, you take the screw out and then you still get nothing. So, that's my question. Oh, I should probably try the Lishi on this, because it's kind of a short video. If I get the screw in, this is top heavy screw, it's hard to get it lined up sometimes. Like that. Plus the ball's in the way. I hate when that happens. Oh. Almost, there we go. Okay. Got Fatso Catso here. So we'll try the Lishi on it. And we'll try, I guess, clockwise. Make sure it's in. Let's look at the Lishi. Little click off 1, little click off 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4. Click off 5, nothing on 4, 3. We'll click off 3, 4, and we're in. All right, Mr. Lishi, thank you. So, but I didn't know how to get in. Anyway, if you know, please leave it in the comments or share this with somebody who would know. I'm thinking maybe Cherokee or King Street Rob or Steel Pinnings or Bill Bacardi or Suki the Cat but Suki's not talking. Right, Suk? Anyway, well, we're having a wreck. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you know, let me know. Talk to you later.